Right, boom, baby. Welcome back to Project Frankenstein. Today, we're going to fix some broken bolts. And if we can get that pressure plate back on, that would be awesome. That's my biggest goal. If we can get that pressure plate back on, at least make the next big step forward, we'll be doing a lot better. Boom. I got it to come out a little bit, but then it broke off. It snapped off the thing because I didn't have a good hold on it. Partially because the bolt's broken off sideways in there, so it's been really difficult to drill into it and making sure that I don't hit the actual threads that I want on there. So I'll show you where it's at right now. So you can see it's right there. It was way farther back in, so that's good. I mean, it did come out, but now I'm struggling to get it the last little bit. So I was able to get the bolt out. Special thanks to Quint for Brooks 1836 or Quint 1836. He had the idea of drilling from behind it since it was broken off crooked, and I did that and I was able to pop it out. So boom. I was able to get all the holes cleaned out and this back on, but I don't want to use any of the old bolts, so I'm going to take this down and get two more, since we broke one of the new and one of the old, because I need two for the bottom still. All right, boom. So I don't know if I'm doing something wrong here, but another bolt broke off. So a little frustrated. I think I must have the poundage wrong or something, because I mean, these all look really tight and feel really tight. I'm gonna see if I can get this out from here without taking all this back off. Oh, you know what? I think I'm gonna have to take it off, because if any of those shavings fall down, that's gonna be a problem. So I'm extremely frustrated with this thing, but I'm not gonna let it stop me from getting this done. I'm going to just keep going, keep pushing, and we're getting this bolt out. We'll go again. I might just use one of the old bolts. I think I'm probably just torquing it down too much. I probably have the poundage wrong, because it's probably going in too far and just breaking the top off, you know? All right. Oh no. I think we'll be able to get it with this. All right, we were finally able to get it. I had to drill almost all the way through just to get the remover to grab it, but we got it, so it's awesome. There's that. Boom. This kit has worked really, really good. I'm really happy about it. All right, thank you, Sam at Southwest Truck and Diesel. I'll put his info right there. He was able to help me basically figure out what I was doing wrong. So one, I'm over torquing them by a lot, so that's part of the reason they're breaking off. But then also he recommended getting grade 8. They're either black or gold bolts. So I think I'm gonna try that. So the Home Depot trip went really well. I got the grade 8 bolts. So basically they, they're gold. So I got 6 of those. And they got the notches on the back of them too. So everybody was really helpful there. Apparently they don't have a huge selection of grade 8 bolts. It's basically just like one drawer, or at least this location. But they did have the ones I need, so hey, well. So I'm gonna go back, put those on, get it all done. Boom, baby. was awesome. I mean, a huge step forward. We got the pressure plate now put on. Really happy about that. I'm really glad I stuck with it and just fixed the problem and pushed through. So now we gotta connect this to the transmission, put the plate on, all that good stuff. Boom, baby.
Give us 10,000 likes. Yeah! Woohoo!
Yeah, baby.
Look at this.
Yeah, muscles, yeah. All right, boom. So we got one motor mount on. Man, the quality difference is insane. Now we'll go put the other side. Boom. All right, much better. Boom. Now we got new motor mounts. Great step in the right direction, baby. Alright, so now what I need to figure out, which I'm trying to sort out right now, is how to get these to line up, to bolt it together. I do have to put my clutch fork in as well. And then I'm going to clean the surface one more time. I mean, but that part's easy. But how do I get it all to line up so I can bolt it together? That's what I'm trying to figure out now. I'm trying to see if I can do that on my own or not.
Help with me. It's pretty hot out there. I am dying out there.
So I'd say we made pretty good progress. I'm pretty happy with the fact that I stuck through it and got that pressure plate put back on there. So now what we're gonna do is figure out how to bolt up this transmission and then lift it in literally. But I think I might try and see if I can get somebody to come over and help. I don't know if Alex has time or whatever, or maybe Stan, one of those guys, because I think I'm gonna need one person to kind of hold it and line it up, and then the other person to put the bolts in. I think the rest will be pretty easy. I think it's just gonna be more labor intensive. So, boom. And like always, like, subscribe, hit the little bell button, share the video. Really appreciate Quint 1836's help and Sam at Southwest Truck and Diesel's help. Both those guys have really helped me out a lot with just giving me advice on what to do. So thank you guys. Like, subscribe. I'll put links to all my fellow YouTuber friends' channels at the end as well. Boom. Right, baby?
Yeah.
All right.
Can I do the ending part?
Yeah, go ahead. Go.
Guys, I know you want this, but give us 10,000 likes. Please, please give us 1,000 billion, 100, 90, 100, 800, 90, 100 billion, 1,000 likes.
That's a lot of likes. I would sure like that amount of likes.
And then
sure.
I would get $10,000. And then we're going to be rich.